Meaning of football boot.
Football boot.
Football boot.
Football boot.
Football boot. A football boot is a type of footwear specifically designed for playing football. It typically features a lightweight, durable design with a low-cut ankle and studs on the outsole to improve traction on the pitch. The boots are made from materials such as leather or synthetic fabrics to provide comfort and support while playing. Football boots come in various colors and designs to cater to personal preferences, and professional players often endorse specific brands and models. In summary, a football boot is a specialized type of shoe designed for the sport of football, providing players with enhanced performance and comfort on the field.